Ka-chow!
Start by loosening the intake hose clamps and removing the intake hose. This is the same whether you have an aftermarket or stock intake. Disconnect and remove the TPS sensor. It has 2 Phillips head screws. Remove the throttle cable by activating the spring and taking the pin out. There are 2 hoses underneath the throttle body that need to come off. For the life of me, I could not get the right one undone, so I removed the other end of it. Remove the 2 12mm bolts and 2 12mm nuts holding the throttle body to the manifold. There is one in each corner of the throttle body. Don't judge me, I know it's filthy, we're cleaning it for a reason. Clean the throttle body very well with throttle body cleaner. Be mindful of the O-ring where the TPS sensor lives. While cleaning, be sure to move the throttle plate so you can get underneath it. If you feel like it, you can also clean the entrance to the manifold. Make sure to clean the old gasket off both sides. Put the new gasket on, minding the holes. Put the throttle body, TPS sensor, throttle cable, and intake hose back on. The throttle body nuts and bolts are torqued to 16 foot-pounds. If necessary, I've included the service manual steps for setting the idle. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe below. I'm here to answer questions, or you can find me on Instagram, Facebook, and LinkedIn at Girlie Garage.